Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here, and this video I am making for my respected CMA institute and its office bearers. I have been flooded with emails and messages from the CMA students who are panicking, and rightly so, students who are having the exams in October, and not even approximately 25 days are left for the CMA October exams to begin. Okay, not even 1 month is left for the CMA October exams to begin, and still they are unaware about the final paper pattern. They are still unaware about the final paper pattern. So with less than 1 month to prepare, is it right for the students to not to be aware about the final paper pattern? Final paper pattern, what I mean to say is the approved paper pattern from the institute side for the intermediate and the final level students. And what about the mock tests that we were promised that we will be given enough time to practice a mock test? Now, what is the definition of enough time? I simply fail to understand. Is the definition of enough time is 1 week or 2 weeks? No, it should not be that way. So whatever problems are arising, please share the problems with the students of the institute. I think an official notification or maybe a video message of the President Sir should come out, that why such delay is taking place in releasing the mock test windows for the student. Why such delay is taking place in giving the clarification regarding the final paper pattern? There are rumors going on in the market now whether the October exams will be held or not. I strongly believe that the October exams will be held, and they should be held. And if there is even 0.01% doubt on it, please clarify it. Students have been dying to give the exams now. They have been desperately studying and they are wanting to give the exams. Please do not disappoint them. I know you won't. So with folded hands, with very humble request, Institute has done everything correctly so far, except the fact that they have kept it like MS Dhoni for the last over. So please, as soon as possible, give us the final approved authenticated paper pattern, release the mock test windows, or if the mock tests are not going to be released, just clarify, just issue a statement that no mock test will be there. Whatever mock test was issued, that you have to practice. And please release an official notification about the October 21 examinations, reassuring the students that yes, the exams are going to take place. I believe that the exams are going to take place, and even if there is a 0.01% doubt on it, please clarify. Make an official notification or a video message will do wonders for the students, because students look up to us, students look up to the office bearers of the institute. No matter what we say, the correct way of communication is an official notification. So please kindly expedite these issues regarding the mock test windows and the final authenticated paper pattern, which is more than the right of the students to know. And they have been waiting like anything. Thank you. And yes, students, do not worry. For students, obviously you will have to keep on studying. Now you will be saying, sir, it's very easy to say that keep on studying. We have been studying since 9 months, sir. Now we want all these things. Yes, I am there with you. I absolutely agree to that. But in the meantime, keep studying also. Being a teacher, that's my duty also to make sure that you are studying. Okay, so I'll be making sure that I'll be making revision videos for you. For example, mission audit is starting this Saturday itself. Okay, and please share this video with the entire CMA fraternity. Like the video, comment on the video, and don't use any ill words. Okay, I know you are frustrated, I know you are irritated, and rightly so, but do not use any ill word or negative words. Okay, because this is our institute and this is our family. Okay, and yes, you can put your words, you can put your demands, you can put everything in the comment box. without using any foul languages, because you are my student and you are your parents children, okay, who have taught you all the right things in life to do, correct? So do not disappoint me and your parents and institute. And yes, whatever you want from me, you tell me regarding revision videos and all. Regarding official notification, I can only appeal to the institute, and I can appeal my students also to share the video maximum as possible so that it reaches and it reaches the right ones. Okay, thank you, lots of love, take care, bye bye.